What happens to your body if you fast for 36 hours? After just 4 hours, your body finishes digesting food. Insulin levels begin to drop, and your body starts tapping into stored sugar for energy. By 8 hours, blood sugar begins to fall. Your system now relies on glycogen stored in your liver and muscles to keep you going. At 12 hours, glycogen stores start running low. Your body begins burning fat for fuel. Insulin continues to decrease, and you slowly shift into a state called ketosis. At 16 hours, your body enters a deep cellular cleanse. Autophagy begins. It's your natural detox mode, where damaged cells are broken down and toxins are cleared out. By 24 hours, major cellular repairs are in full swing. Inflammation drops, fat burning accelerates, and your body becomes more sensitive to insulin. At 30 hours, growth hormone levels spike, preserving muscle mass and accelerating fat loss. Your body enters a deep healing state. By 36 hours, you reach maximum autophagy. Dead cells are cleared out, tissues are regenerated, and your metabolism gets a major boost. You've just given your body a full reset. Subscribe for more daily health tips, and share this with your friends.